Hello students, I am Munmun Kumari, your English teacher, and welcome to your English 2 class. Today we will start our first chapter, that is chapter number 1, Sunday, which is a poem. Before starting the chapter, let us know how many days are there in a week. Yes, there are 7 days in a week, and the days of the week are named after 7 heavenly bodies: the Sun, the Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus and Saturn. Now let us know who is the poet of the poem Sunday. The poet of the poem Sunday is Rabindranath Tagore. So now let us come to know about the poet Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a great Indian poet and the youngest son of his parents. He was a leader of Brahmo Samaj in the 19th century Bengal. He took his early education at home. However, higher education was given to him in England. He went to England at his 17. So when he was 17 years of age, he went to England for his higher education. However, he could not complete his studies. His interest and close touch with the common humanity draw his attention towards the country to do some social reforms. However, he was attend to do the different kinds of humanity work towards his society. Then he started a school at Santiniketan where he followed the Upanishad ideals of education. So he opened a school in Santiniketan where he gave the teachings of Upanishads. He also involved himself in the Indian nationalist movement and his own sentiments and visionary way. So he was involved in the nationalist movement. Gandhiji was a devoted friend of him and his one of the best friend was Gandhiji. His immense love towards the country was seen and his love for the country was very immense. He loved his country very much. When he returned the honor given by the British government, and this can be seen when he returned the honor which was given by the British government in 1915 as a protest against British policy in the country. He was a good writer and got success in writing in Bengal. This continuous success in writing made him able to become a famous voice of India. So when he started to write, he became one of the famous personality of India. Some of his poetry are Mansi, Sonar, Tadi, Gitanjali, Balaka, etc. These are some of the famous poems of Rabindranath Tagore. Besides poetries, he was also famous in writing dance dramas, musical dramas, essay, travel diaries and autobiographies, etc. So, beside poetries, he also used to write different kinds of dramas and travelogues and autobiographies, etc. These are the kinds of writing he used to write during his age. Now, let us come to the summary of the poem. So, the summary of the poem Sunday is given below. In the poem Sunday, the poet tells us that Sunday is the only day that does not come fast and quickly. The poet says that Sunday does not come fast and quickly. The poet does not want the weekends to come, and the poet, he does not want the weekends. He wants the weekends to come, but he does not want the weekdays to come. But according to the poet, weekdays come very fast, and the poet says that the weekdays, they come very fast, and Sunday, which is weekend, comes very late, and Sunday comes very late. Also, the weekdays seems unkind to the poet, and the poet describes the weekdays as unkind. He says that the weekdays are very unkind. After that, the poet tells that once the weekdays comes, they never want to go back again. And the poet also says that once the weekdays comes, they never want to go back again. They remain here only. They never go back as fast as they can. Also, the poet says that the weekdays come to him with the long dull faces and unhappy faces. Also, the poet says that the weekdays they come with long dull and unhappy faces. Once the weekdays appear, the poet shows such a behavior that they are not important to him. And once the weekdays they appear, the poet says that they are of no importance to him. The poet did not give any importance to the weekdays. Lastly, the poet says that whenever he wakes up at weekends, he sees the Sunday with its joyful face that seems to be glowing. So, whenever poet wakes up at the weekends, that is the Sunday, he sees that Sunday a joyful face. He sees Sunday with very joyful face, and the face of Sunday seems to be very glowing. So students, today we came to know about the poet of the poem Sunday and the summary of the poem Sunday. So your homework is to go through the chapter and go through the summary of the poem and also about the poet. So students, in our next video we will discuss our poem Sunday stanza wise. So that's all for today. Thank you.